where that alignment is. Let's see, we can make that so that the letters aren't there. Okay, you've got the sun here, Mercury on the other side of the sun in an alignment. You've got the comet. Why are we calling this a comet? You've got the brown dwarf star in here inside of Venus's orbit, and then you've got the Earth, and we're all lined up again. And that may be actually on the 27th. Let's take a look. See, 27th might be a little bit closer to that right date. Anyway, there'll be some strong pulling on the Earth because look at how far this is away from us. 0.381. That's very, very close. That's a real close distance. Now, what's our next danger date? Let's go forward. Now watch how those are coming together. Can you see how the Earth and this comet are actually coming together? And if I call that a comet one more time, I'll kick myself. Okay, they're coming closer and closer. Now look at the numbers right here. We're actually at 243, 2433. There it is. That's the closest that we get. 232, 0.232. Very, very close. It happens on October the 17th. Look where it is. It's almost into our orbit line. That's a real, real close transition. I honestly believe that sometime between that last alignment that we had on the 27th of September and this particular close call, this brown dwarf star is going to grab us and it's going to flip our planet. How serious that'll be, I do not know. But it's close enough that we're going to have some real, real serious stuff. If it's having these kind of problems already when it was way out here, what are we going to do when it's right here? This is serious stuff. This is all these biblical things coming together at one time. Now, after that alignment, we have one more here that I want to show you real quick. Right about here, you'll notice that the Earth now crosses the path of the brown dwarf star. As it went out, it probably left a lot of debris in the way, and we're going to start running into that debris right there on that one little spot because it's going to be hitting us big time, really big time. Notice also that as we come around this way, the brown dwarf star is not very far away from us. It's still 3.848. The date here is November the 5th, so watch for that date. Okay, let's go a little bit further. As we come around, we're going to get to latter part of November. Now let's bring our slider bar here a little bit this way so we can actually see another alignment coming. Oh, look at that. November 23rd, another alignment date. This time, this is basically the same thing that happened with the earthquake in Chile and the same thing that happened in the earthquakes in Japan. Only this time, instead of being out there 6 AU, it's only out there about 0.6 AU. Serious problem, a real serious problem. Fortunately, until about next year when we're clear over here, this is the last time we're going to have a problem with this. But by this time, it'll just be cleanup. It really will just be cleanup. Anyway, any of you can take a look at this particular video. It's pulled from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Everybody has access to it. It's not like this is some top secret thing. But they are not telling us a lot of things about this particular event, and I can see why. Because what's going to happen here is if you announce this, people are going to change their buying habits drastically. But we need to get the word out. We need to let people know that this is what's going on.